Welcome back sa ating channel. Good afternoon. And ang aking anak ay sobrang saba. It's currently 1 o'clock na ng hapon, guys. And we are going out for our lunch break. So Mike and I decided again na magla-lunch kami together kasi as usual we go for a walk to the shops and then we go get our coffee and you know something for lunch. Here's Paris. Get in the pram na. Come on. Sige na, mataga ka ba? Ang buhok nga gubot, marang tagilayog. Thank you, baby. Thank you, baby. Gustong dalhin ni Paris ito, guys. Oh, pero ang laki man. Ay, sure, na pa yung pa-erase-erase. Nak, it's too big, manak, to carry. Kala mo? The small one. No. No, daddy. Okay, alright. Let's go. Come in. Do you wanna leave that one, Nak? Dako jud kay siya, Nak. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Do you want to take? I don't know if you bring it on.
1, 2, 3, go! Party. Party ba ng prinsesa, oy? Ayan. Kasi may ano kasi, guys, oh, may pangkog is real dito. Ha? Iniwan na namin si Mike, guys, kasi nagmanya na ang aking baktin. Run! Run, Barbie! Ito ang ating bata nga gamanya is... Ito talaga yung ginagawa namin dito, guys. On a day-to-day basis pag... Ano lang pala, pag weekdays. Kasi nga, diba, both Mike and I are working from home. Tapos... minsan, interval kami ni Mike. So, minsan ako yung nagdadala kay Paris for a walk. And then, he takes his lunch break. Tapos, dinadala na naman niya si Paris sa labas. Kasi nga si Paris is naboboard na siya sa bahay. Wala siyang magawa. So, yun. But sometimes, may mga araw din na Mike and I takes our lunch break together para magkasama kami. At ito yung ginagawa namin, guys. Lakad-lakad, exercise pag may time on our way to the shops para magbili ng mga mga coffee and chips and you know, something for lunch. So katulad niyan, guys, oh. May tumatawag sa trabaho. Siguro hindi nila nakita yung offsite ko. So pag nag-lunch break kami, guys, meron kami tinatawag na off-site sa work. So, nagsisend lang kami ng email that goes to everyone sa kumpanya, letting them know na nagla-lunch break kami. But, I think, yung colleague ko na tumawag sa akin, hindi lang siguro niya nakita yung email ko, kaya tumawag siya. But, minsan, hindi ko sinasagot kasi, lunch break ko eh. Kaya iba kayo nila. Bago na ko sila nga, break na ko. Kabiste ba? I'll take care of it pag nakabalik na ako sa bahay. Medyo maginaw siya today, but tingnan nyo si Mike, guys, oh. Mahilig talaga yan siya sa pinapuok. Anong tawag sa shorts na yun, guys? Pek-pek shorts. Pek-pek shorts si Mike. But it's not too bad, actually. It's still a bit cold, but the same time, the sun is up. So, hindi mo masyadong nararamdaman. Malapit na kami. Mga nearly 20 minutes siguro na lakad na. But, while nandito kami, gusto kong pumunta ng pharmacy. Kasi gusto kong bumili ng vitamins. Kasi wala talaga akong vitamins, guys. Wala talaga akong kahit ano para sa sarili ko. Before, I tried to take the Centrum. Yung multivitamins ba yun? But every time na I take one tablet, guys, I feel like I'm going to throw up. Parang nasusuka ba ako? Kaya I stopped taking it. And now I just feel like my skin is not great anymore. Like my hair is not great anymore. Now I'm asking Mike for an opinion or suggestion. Like
skin
what?
And hair are looking fantastic.
Yeah, something like that. So, you know, since Mike is, you know, the expert in that field, I'm asking for his suggestion. What do you reckon I should get from the pharmacy, Daddy?
Suggestion or expertise?
Okay, expertise. Samok boy.
Yeah, so basically, like you said, multivitamin is always your touches all bases. So I always recommend that multivitamin. I always like fish oil or krill oil.
Yep.
Depending on the milligram dosage, krill is generally better than fish. But yeah, that's basically just a really nice fat and oil for your skin and hair. The other one I like, well, depending on how you're feeling. Like again, if you're feeling tired and run down, then I definitely recommend an iron replacement or substitute. Zinc as well. Zinc's good if you're feeling a little bit run down.
Yep.
Zinc's really good as well for like flu prevention, cold prevention. I shouldn't say flu, but maybe more cold prevention and just boosting your immune system.
Yeah.
And
but yeah, for me, like it's just, how about like, it's just for overall.
Overall, like I said, so take your multivitamin, take your multivitamin, take your fish oil, and I'd probably look at taking maybe a form of vitamin D, which will help with the complexion. So vitamin D supplementation is just
but I only want one. Like seriously, just for overall.
Yeah, but you should.
Goodness.
Yeah, I wouldn't take one.
Really?
Yeah, I think I wouldn't take one personally. So
dito na kami, guys. Bibili lang kami ng kape. We got 5 pesos. Yum. Dito na tayo. Ang bata ay naglalakad na kasi may kinakain na. Pumunta kami ng Baker's Delight and tinuro niya talaga yung plain lang na bread. Ayan yung kinakain niya. Tapos, surprisingly, she's walking. Normally, hindi yan siya naglalakad. Gusto niyang magpa-arsa. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Careful. Away from the knock off. Go, go.
Come on, babe. Walking.
Ang ilaga, ang kinit-kitan. Yung tatay naman niya, guys, is very busy kasi nanonood ng UFC. Ayan, oh. Good girl, Baba. Ang daming nakukitan sa sapatos ni Paris, guys. Pumunta kami ng shop tapos sabi nila, oh, look at them shoes. Tingnan niyo kasi, oh. Super cute na. Super liit. Come on, bulilit na maliit.
Come on.
Inom na siya ng kanyang baby chino. Super liit.
You didn't let Daddy finish his talk about vitamins.
Ito yung sa akin. Where's your drink?
Drank it.
Hey, yummy, yummy. Mara bang kagkurik na ka eh. Hello, everything! Yeah, so it is now 5 o'clock, guys. And, kakatapos ko lang magtrabaho. Actually, guys, kahit 5 o'clock na siya, nandyan pa rin yung laptop ko. Kasi later tonight, sometimes, kahit 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock ganyan, I still check my computer. So, about 5 o'clock, yun, mag-stop na muna ako. And, nandito ngayon si Paris kasi Nakatanggap kami ng mail.
Okay.
Can you please open it, Paris? And Paris will open it kasi I think it's for her. Do you know how to open it, honey? Wow! Wow!
No, okay.
Open. I think you can get it now. Pull it. Oh, what's in there? Oh. I think I know what it is now. Oh, wow! What's that?
Pie.
What is it? Open. Ito yung socks na binili ko para kay Paris, guys. And God knows how long ago nung binili ko to. Dahil nga sa ano, dahil sa... Me. Dahil nga sa COVID, guys, ang tagal ng mga deliveries. Very, delayed yung kanilang shipping. Show them na be your socks. Kasi guys, diba na-mention ko na before sa video ko na, ewan ko, like lahat ng medyas ni Paris, wala ng Paris. Wala ng Paris ang yung medyas Paris.
The cat.
Wow! Do you like it?
The cat.
Oh, that's a cat. That's so cute, honey. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh, super cute yung mga socks. Ah, she's off. Okay, she's off. Ang cute-cute ng mga mga socks nila. You want to put socks? Okay. Do you know how to put socks on? Be, dalaga na ba jud be? Makabaro na magbutang og medyas? Nge. Be, tingnan natin nak be kung ilang, uy, sorry anak, ilang pares. So this is the first pair. Ayan, isa. This is so cute. Second pair. Ayan. The third pair. And then the fourth pair. Ayan, oh. Tapos yung last na pair is ito. So 5 pairs pala sila, guys. So mayroon kang Monday to Friday na. Iba-iba yung socks. Paglabhan na naman yan, iwan ko, kinakain ng washing machine. Nawawala man siya. Put it on na. Put it on. Bahala, bali. Basta rin kamot ka na. Tingnan na lang, importante kalibutan. Bahala, di mao. Basta rin kamot ka. Awa-uwang para sa kuan, tikod. Nasa tubangan. One more. Okay. Good job. Wow, I'm very proud of you, Baba. Dalaga na kay kanak. Kabalo nakibutang sa imong medyas.
Mommy, put on.
Mama, put on. Help, Mama?
Mama.
What do you say? Please. Okay. B, mahimo ba ka na to, nak? Isa ra ka kamot? Because vlogging is life. Di nagkataon sa anak ang kuan medyas. Oh, there you go, honey. Wow, paibog din daddy ka. Yes. Yes. That's tomorrow. We'll put that on tomorrow. Paibog daddy ka, show daddy ka. So, akala ko magluluto si Mike tonight, guys. But surprise! Bumili siya ng Uber Eats na ano, what's this one, daddy? Thai noodle soup?
Yeah.
Ayan. So, it looks like that. Kasi kanina, gusto niya pumunta ng supermarket kasi magbili sana ng pang-dinner namin. Magluluto siya. And sabi ko na, we're running late na sa work kasi alam niyo naman, ilang minutes lang yung lunch break namin. So, ayan. Ngayon, nagbili na lang siya ng ganito para easy na lang. Bon appetit! Check guys, it is now currently 11:26 na ng gabi. And, napatulog ko na si Paris, pinadidi ko na, and kakahilamos ko lang guys. Kaya, ayan. Press ko, pero klarong-klaro na ang ating mga buni. But, yeah, gusto ko lang i-end yung vlog guys kasi hindi ako nakapag-vlog kanina after naming nag-dinner. And, ngayon late na guys, kaya lumabas talaga ako para i-end lang yung vlog. But alam nyo guys, diba kanina pumunta ako ng pharmacy, Chemist Warehouse. Hindi ko pala nabili yung vitamins na gusto kong bilhin guys. Kasi, nasa linya na ako. And nung magbabayad na sana ako, sabi nung babae na card lang or cash. Pero kasi guys, pag nagla-lunch break kami tapos pupunta kami dun sa sa mga shops, hindi ako nagdadala ng bag minsan, and hindi din ako nagdadala ng wallet. So yung dala ko lang is yung phone ko kasi nakasave naman dito yung card ko. But then I just do the PayPass, alam mo yung ganun-ganun lang sa sa machine. Tapos yung machine pala nila is not working. Kaya yun, sabi nila hindi ako pwede makabili kasi wala akong pera, guys. But anyway, sabi ni Mike, he'll just grab me something, maybe online or maybe sometime tomorrow or during the weekend. But si Mike pala, guys, is guys, open pa yung computer niya kasi he's still working. And ako yung mga pipiluin yung mga tutupiin ko na mga damit andyan pa, guys. So ang dami pa nila. Kasi, oh my God, I can't keep up. The reason why, guys, gusto ko talagang magbili ng vitamins kasi hindi talaga ako nagtitake ng vitamins. And, I don't know now because I'm breastfeeding Paris and, I don't know, I think I need something for my body. Kasi, guys, kailangan nating alagaan yung sarili natin, no? Kasi may anak na tayo and, guys, ayokong one day na pag lumabas kami ni Paris, sabihin nila na yaya ako, guys, kasi wala na akong alaga sa sarili ko. Kasi alam niyo, guys, once sa South Melbourne pa kami nakatira nun, and I took Paris out for a walk. Ang liit-liit pa ni Paris nun. Tapos tinanong ako ng guys, ng isang lalaki na kaninong anak daw si Paris. Walang hiya talaga yun siya, guys. Kaya ngayon, every time na pag lumalabas ako or I really try to para take care of myself na, guys, na parang maganda yung dating ko kasi yun, guys, na pagkakamala na tayong maid ng anak natin siya, guys. Mas matanda pa si Mike sa akin, guys, no? But sa tingin ko, mas matanda pa akong tingnan kaysa sa kanya. Yung mukha ko. Kaya hindi ko talaga pinapabayaan yung sarili ko, guys. And have a look at him, guys. Like, seriously, sometimes, guys, pag wala siyang ganito, pag wala siyang buhok-buhok ganyan sa mukha niya, he looks very, very young. Like, yeah. Kaya, yeah, that's why I'm telling them, Daddy. Oh! I'm telling them, Daddy, that that's why I'm looking after myself. That I look older than my age. Yun nga, guys. Tingnan nyo, guys. Yung age gap namin ni Mike, is what? 9 years. 9 years, Daddy? So, 9 years. Pero tingnan yung mukha namin, guys. Oh, like, it looks like we're just the same age. Or maybe I look older.
No, I don't think so.
You're being kind. Yeah, like, if he doesn't have the buhok here, guys, he looks really, really young. Like, yun, guys. No, 9 years yung gap namin. But, oh my God. Natatakot na ako, guys. Kasi, baka pag tungtong ko ng 50, ilang taon na si Mike noon, magsi-60 na siya. La, mas tigulang pa ako sa iya, guys. Nangunot na ko. But yeah, that's fine. But are you gonna get me the vitamins, Daddy? Thank you, Daddy. Are you still working?
I'm working on the mortgage calculator.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you for your guesting. Hi, guys. Nag-move ako dito sa beauty room kasi Mike is still working sa lunch room and ang very saba ko. Kaya sabi ko, hindi, iiwan na kita dito. But yeah, hindi ko pwedeng i-end yung vlog natin today without saying thank you sa ating mga bagong subscribers and sa mga bagong nag-comment sa ating videos. I'm very, very grateful. Kasi tonight, guys, napansin ko na madaming nag-subscribe sa channel ko. And I was really, really happy, guys. Kasi noon, pag may isang naka-add sa subscriber ko, guys, like, sobrang happy ko na talaga. Like, I always pinapakita kay Mike na may naka-add ng isang subscriber. Tapos, tonight, suddenly, guys, parang dumami yung subscribers ko. And I felt very, na-overwhelm ako kasi alam kong galing ito sa channel ng aking friendship na Lola's Family. Hi, Dai! Nag-vlog kasi siya, guys, na nung natanggap kasi niya yung regalo ko para kay baby Ikang ba, para sa birthday ni baby Jessica. Dapat sana sa July pa yun, but luckily natanggap nila very soon. And hindi ko akalain guys nagagawa niya ng video, kasi para sa akin naman guys is very quiet lang, parang parang private lang siya at ako lang yung nakakaalam. But guys, hindi ko inakalang gagawa niya ng video. Tapos yung mga guys, natuwa naman yung mga subscribers niya and binisita din nila yung channel ko guys, kaya na-overwhelm ako. Thank you talaga very very much, kasi hindi ko akalain magkakaroon ako ng subscribers na 10 in a row, 20 in a row, like like very very happy ako guys. Kaya thank you sa lahat talaga na nag-subscribe sa channel ko. And I know na yung mga nag-subscribe na galing sa aking friendship na si Elgin, Lola's family. She's very kalog, very funny and all. So I hope na hindi ko kayo ma-disappoint dito sa channel ko if ever na manood kayo ng mga vlogs ko. And always remember na open naman ako sa mga suggestions. So if ever na may mga kayo dyan, mga nakikita kayong, ay, bakit naman ganyan? I'm very open for it, guys. Like, let me know, sabihan niyo ako para maayos ko naman yung mga vlog ko para ma-enjoy niyo. O, diba, guys? So, magsa-shoutout tayo. Pinakauna talaga dito na nakikita ko is Sis Maribel Patiag. Sabi niya, guys, hi, Day, new viewers. Gwapa kaayo ang ayan kaday. Thanks sa gift mo sa Lola's family. Cute ng dress ni Jessica. So, I know guys na yung talagang nag-subscribe sa akin tonight is from Lola's family. So, Day, thank you so much kay Day. Like, wala siya ko nagdahom nga imo tong i-video, Day. Oy, it's from the bottom of my liver, good to Day. Ang akong buhatag ni mo adto. Shout out Judithay Pangit, and Lifestyle Australia, Bavel American Life, Norms of Life, Music Ana Obieta, RR26 Adventures, Amelita Zayas, Jez Shell, hi Day, thank you for the comment Day oy, Christine Joy Tabak, Zenny Cass, Cactus PH, hi CC, Teresa Leonor, Janet Gordon, Roch Tampong, Mary Chris Relodge, Lizelle Iga, hello! Thank you very much for subscribing sa ating channel. Galing din siya kay, kay Friendship Lola's family. Thank you talaga, Day. Shout out Samantha De Jessica from Davao City. Cindy Tan, Genevieve Tan, I Makisachi, Maribel Ercilio, Elma Araneta, hello! Shout out po. Gina Haguenes, Aisa Barbosa, Little Miss Isay, Majoy Estrada, April Rose Romero, Liza May Quino, Manuel Sambaan, Odessa Donghil, Richard Antiga, Claudine Samson Pedersen, Eileen Kaliv, hi Day, Paula Patricia Rosal, hello, Casey Laurete, Lohan Pasadas, Rosmay Arquita, hi Bes, MJ Tintin Tiny, and M's Journey. Shout out sa inyong lahat, sa lahat ng mga nag-comment sa ating videos, and sa lahat ng mga bagong subscribers natin. Sana ma-enjoy nyo yung mga videos natin na paparating, kasi I always try my hardest talaga na maganda yung ma-vlog ko para naman may, may sulod naman ang ating vlog. Baka iwan tayo ng ating mga subscribers kay walay pulos ang ating vlog. Kaya I make sure and I try very, very hard na hindi masyadong boring ang vlog ng atin nyo. So, if you have any requests o may mga katanungan kayo, let me know. Matutulog na ako guys ha, kasi 12:13 na. Ang baktin ko mamaya is gigising na yun para magdidi. And hindi na naman ako makatulog. Kaya, once again guys, thank you very much for watching our videos and for yung pagsusuporta nyo talaga sa amin. Maraming salamat. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also hit that subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I'm hoping to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye!